What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. In today's video, what I want to go over is I want to show you how to make $1,000 per week, and I'm going to do that using 5 different ways. So what I want to cover, what I want you to understand by going through this entire video is I want you to know how to make money while quarantined. So if you're stuck at home, can't make money, don't worry, I got you covered. So many people have told me the only way to make money right now is to be a driver for Uber Eats, dashing drivers, maybe even Instacart. And that's not necessarily the case. The problem with that type of thinking is you're not quarantined. You're driving around, you're interacting with other people. Do I want you to do that? No, I want you to stay safe, locked in your house, where nobody can give you the coronavirus, and you're just a little bit safer, right? That's what we all want. We all want to get through this, get back to our normal lives, and so I want to help you get there. So, like I said, I'm going to give you 5 ways to make $1,000 per week online. The first way where you can make money online and make a portion of that $1,000 per week is to start a YouTube channel. I've talked about this so many times, okay? I talk about this almost in every single video, why I recommend starting a YouTube channel. And here's the reason why. So just, I think a few days ago, one of my students that just enrolled in the Passive YouTuber course, they put together a channel. It's her and her husband. They only have a few videos. They have less than 20 subscribers on their channel, and they're making about $300 so far. Okay? That's in less than a week. You can easily make $250 a week or about $1,000 a month on YouTube just starting out. And here's what they did. I'm not going to give away their channel. I'm not going to give away everything, but here's what they did. They started a specific home repair channel. It's repairing certain things in the home. And so they started this. Just a little fun thing to do. They're going to make these repairs anywhere. They're stuck at home. Might as well make the best of it. So they started a YouTube channel. And what I teach inside the Passive YouTuber is to offer coaching services, to offer affiliate products, and if you can, to talk about and promote a specific course, whether you create it or somebody else does. That's exactly what they did. Okay, so they're making right about $300 in the first, however many days, less than a week, which is very good. I'm here to tell you, you can make money on YouTube. Just talk about something that you know. Talk about something that you have a passion for, and it doesn't matter what it is. As long as you're stuck at home right now, there are many things you can do to make some money. Don't be like most people and count out YouTube. I think so many people use YouTube as a way to watch videos, just like you're doing now. They learn something from it. However, they never look at YouTube as a way to make an income. I can tell you right now, there are people making thousands of dollars every single month. There are other people that are a little bit more popular that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from their YouTube channel. So if you want to make money online, I highly recommend start with YouTube, because YouTube can easily bring you at least $250 a week or $1,000 a month just from one channel. The second way to make an additional $250, so just the 2 ways, this next thing I'm going to show you, and YouTube make about $500 per week. And this method is called reselling. Now again, this is another method that I've talked about multiple times here on my channel, because these are 2 things that I do every single day. For example, one thing that I'm going to be selling is I have a bunch of these, okay? These indoor HD TV antennas made by RCA. I picked these up for like $1 something over at Lowe's. So I'm going to sell these items online. Now, here's the cool part. With reselling, you don't have to go to a store, buy products, and then sell those items. That's a great business opportunity, but right now that you're quarantined, you don't want to be going out to Lowe's and Home Depot and Walmart and Target and buying all this stuff, touching all these products just to make a little bit of money, right? Do you want to risk your safety, risk your health? Probably not. So what I recommend you do right now is to find stuff around your house that you could potentially sell online and make some money. For example, currently, one of the things that I've been seeing have been going up fairly quickly are the prices of puzzles. So things like puzzles, video games, board games, books, movies, household items, things people need right now while they're stuck inside. Those are the things that you need to offer, that you need to list on eBay and sell them. Because I can tell you right now, there is a shortage of products online. People haven't been listing as many products on eBay. Amazon's starting to struggle. They're getting behind. USPS, UPS, FedEx are now not guaranteeing their delivery times just because there's a shortage of products. There's too many items being shipped out and we're struggling. So I can tell you right now, reselling is an incredible business. So if you have something like maybe somebody is going to get into photography, they want to start making money with photography. So they decide they're going to buy a new camera or a used camera, if you will. Go and sell your old camera, your old point and shoot camera, your old DSLR, something. Okay, go sell it, go list it, and see if somebody takes the bait, bites, and actually buys the product. Because I can tell you right now, reselling is an incredible business. You can easily make $250 per week. Okay, I know a bunch of people that are making thousands of dollars every single week from reselling. Granted, they've been doing it for a little bit longer. They have more inventory in stock that they're selling, but it's a great business. Okay, let me tell you one other thing. Right now, when you are clearing out your closet, you're organizing your house, you have that that new crock pot that you're trying to get rid of, and you're just going to throw it in the garage. Maybe list it on eBay, see if it sells. Okay, still put it in a box, stick it in the garage, but while you're doing that, take some pictures, list it on eBay, see if it sells. Because I can tell you that things will sell. One thing that I've been selling really well lately, I've been selling a lot of clothing items. I don't know why so many people decide right now is the best time to buy clothing, but they have been. So I sell a lot of clothing. So if you have a decent amount of clothing items in your closet, consider listing them on eBay and seeing if they sell. Because I can tell you right now, these two methods, YouTube and reselling, can easily bring you $500 per week. That's $2,000 per month from just two of these methods. Now, what if I told you there's a way you can be on your computer typing away and make money? Well, you can. And the next way to make money that you can easily make $200 per week is by doing freelance writing. Now, with freelance writing, there are many people that are saying you can't make money offering services. People in the United States just aren't buying these services. And for one, they're kind of correct. Number two, there are businesses that are keep going forward. They're going to continue to still work, still make money, and they're still in business. But here's the cool part. With freelance writing, you do not just have to write for people in the United States. So here's what I recommend you do. Get on Craigslist. Go to Craigslist.org. Okay? Go to Craigslist. And then go over to the side tab, over to the countries. Go pick like India, the Philippines, a different country. Okay? It could be any country. The UK, doesn't matter. Go and pick a different country. And then go to the jobs. Okay? To the gigs. See what people are offering. See what people need help with. And I can tell you right now, just going over to the search, you can find a lot of people that are looking for freelance writers, virtual assistants, data entry, transcriptionists. There are so many job offers right now, even though so many people are quarantined, you can still make money. So if you think you can't make money, you can't make $1,000 per week, $4,000 per month, I guarantee it's going to help out a lot of people. Most people don't make $4,000 per month from their regular 9-to-5 job. So consider freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, if you're good no matter what language you speak, if you're good at writing, okay, this could be a potential money-making opportunity for you. And again, an easy $200 per week. The next way to make money and contribute to that $1,000 per week goal is to create Instagram posts for other people. And here's how you do it. Now, you can jump on your phone and you can message people over on Instagram, tell them, hey, I'm doing this is what I charge, would you be interested? Or the easiest way right now is to go to a website called Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com. On Fiverr.com, people offer services and gigs for as low as $5 for each one. Here's the cool part. The majority of people right now are charging about $5 for 2 Instagram posts. So if you know how to create an Instagram post, how to create something engaging, something enticing, something that people will want to click on, will like, watch, whatever, okay, will follow that channel, you can make some money, and an easy $2.50 per post. Here's the cool part. You just create the post. You don't have to worry about hashtags. You don't have to worry about publishing the post. You don't have to worry about interacting with people in the comment section. It's a very simple business. Now, here's what I recommend. When you go to Fiverr.com, okay, you find one person, they're gonna pay you $5. Okay, $5, let's say they do this, 2 times per week. Okay, 2 times per week, that's to get them 4 posts. So you got somebody that's paying you $10 per week. Now, all you have to do is get like 20 people to pay you that. 20 people to pay you that amount of money. That's to get you $200 per week. 20 people is not a lot of people. Did you know that Instagram alone, or Pinterest, Instagram, wherever you want to put these posts, has millions and millions of people, millions and millions of accounts. And again, like I mentioned Pinterest, okay? You can do this stuff with Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It doesn't matter, okay? You can make these things and it works. And easy, $2.50 per post. I guarantee you, you're gonna make some money. If you put the time and effort into this, if you know how to create Instagram posts, you will make some money. And again, it's easy money and it doesn't cost you a thing. It's free for you to start creating these posts. And the 5th way to make $1,000 per week while you're quarantined is to become a Facebook moderator. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what does a Facebook moderator do? Well, you moderate the comments. You become a person that, somebody hires you, and most people are paying about $25 per week to hire somebody to moderate their Facebook groups, Facebook pages. They don't want people posting, scammy links. They don't want people doing any self-promotion. They don't want people fighting, cussing, anything like that on their pages. So because of that, they hire a moderator to come in, ban people, delete comments, block others, accept people, things like that. And so most people that have a large Facebook following, they don't really want to do this. They probably don't have the time to run this type of, this aspect of their business. So they hire somebody else to do that. The cool part about this is just one Facebook page can easily pay you $25 per week. Now, you're already on Facebook anyway. Why not just go through these pages maybe a few times a day, delete people, other people you block them, other people you accept them, other ones you accept posts, you delete posts, whatever, okay? And you do that. You're already on Facebook. Why not make this work, okay? And again, all you need is 4 people paying you $25 per week, and there you go. You got $100 per week that you're making, which everything totaled, okay? $250 from YouTube, $250 from reselling, $200 from doing freelance writing, another $200 from doing Instagram posts, another $100 per week just becoming a Facebook moderator. That's $1,000 per week total that you just made. So over the course of a month, you make $4,000 per month doing this exact same stuff. And the best part is, all this stuff, combine it all together, it's fun, it's different, it's exciting. So this is what helps you actually make more money, is you're not doing the exact same thing every single day. It's getting mixed up. You're changing things, which usually means you work a little bit harder. So those are my 5 ways to make $1,000 per week and make money while quarantined. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help you out any way I can. I will be putting links down in the description box below, so you can go and get, if you want to go join the Passive YouTuber, you can go and do that. I'll also put a link down in the description box below along with the discount code where you can join Thrift Store Profits, where I show you how to go into thrift stores, buy specific products, and sell them and make some money. I know right now it could be a little bit tough being that you're quarantined. However, it's great information that you may have some of these products inside your home right now. And if you do, you can sell them on eBay. So if you guys have any questions on any of the courses, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, like always, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.